Hi, I'm trying not to swear as much on YouTube. This is the bull crap snowstorm level on Pong for PlayStation 1. This level is just such bull crap. Okay, so every time you hit a penguin, he farts. See? He already got a snowball past me. Anyway, every time you hit a penguin, he farts and makes a new snowball somehow. God damn it. See? I can't help but swear. I'm trying. 5-0. This is just... God. 6-1? That isn't fair. Why don't the balls ever go past him? Dang. 10-1. Fuck. Okay, I'll try again. It's so frustrating. I've played this level 20 times today. Somehow I've got past it before. I haven't played this game in years. Dang it. Dang it! I might have to start swearing again. Damn farting penguin. Piece of garbage penguins. Look at that! That is not fair. Fuck! Cut. 2-8 already. There, it's 5-9. He only needs one more point. I need 5 straight points. God damn it. One more time. This is just bull crap. Dang it! Dang it! It's already up 3-1. It's impossible. I'm trying to use a force. It just isn't working. 4-5. Damn farting penguins. Why don't the balls go through on his side? Look at that. That isn't fair. God damn. Snowstorm blows the balls. Dang it! Okay, I tried 3 times. I give up. Did my best.